In the heart of India, in the Darbhanga district of Bihar, an entire pond vanished overnight. Yes, you heard that right. An entire body of water gone without a trace, as if it had never existed. And in its place, a humble hut. This isn't a tale from a folklore or a science fiction novel. This event occurred in reality, and it has left everyone, from locals to scientists, scratching their heads in disbelief. Let's dive into the facts. The pond was there one day, a familiar sight to the locals. The next day, it was gone. No signs of water, no traces of aquatic life. Just dry land with a solitary hut standing, as if it had always been there. Now, ponds don't just vanish. Water doesn't disappear. So what could have possibly happened? One theory suggests a possible sinkhole. Sinkholes are common in areas with heavy limestone deposits. When water erodes the limestone beneath the surface, it creates a void. Eventually, the land above collapses into this void, creating a sinkhole. Could it be that the pond fell into such a sinkhole, allowing the land to dry and the hut to be built? It's plausible, but there's no evidence of a sinkhole in the vicinity. Another theory involves human intervention. Could it be that someone drained the pond overnight and quickly constructed the hut? It's a daunting task, but with enough manpower, it's not impossible. However, there's no evidence to support this theory either. Then, there's the possibility of a natural disaster, a sudden shift in the Earth's crust perhaps. But again, there's no seismic activity reported in the region around the time of the incident. So, what are we left with? A mystery, a puzzle that defies logic and explanation. An entire pond vanishes overnight and a hut appears in its place. No signs of a sinkhole, no evidence of human intervention, no reports of seismic activity, just a missing pond and a newly erected hut. In summary, the mysterious vanishing of the pond in Darbhanga district, Bihar, and the overnight appearance of a hut remains an unsolved mystery. The theories of a possible sinkhole, human intervention, or a natural disaster don't hold water, as they lack supporting evidence. For now, all we have are questions. Questions that continue to baffle and intrigue us. Until we find answers, the mystery of the vanishing pond and the appearing hut will continue to perplex us all.